Hi, my name is Elinor James and I'm a first year apprentice here at the National Botanic Garden of Wales. My apprenticeship is kindly supported by the National Garden Scheme, and I would love to show all the National Garden Scheme supporters my favourite parts of the garden. So this is Ceanothus, and it's one of my favourite plants here in the dome. Is because it's got this lovely blue colour and it reminds me of the calming, cool temperatures of the sea. And this is my second favourite in the dome, and this is a Calophamnus. I really like this one because the flowers look like the little tails of a bird, and the red is very vibrant and warm. So we're here in the double walled garden, and I've chosen this spot because of this pear tree. I really enjoy the blossom at this time of year. It attracts all sorts of different pollinators, and I also have very fond memories of walking through the orchards with my dad and looking at all the different pear blossoms. So we're here at the bog garden, which is currently a work in progress, as you can see, but I'm really excited for this project and I'm really excited to see everything flourish in the future. It's got some of my favourite plants here, including the March marigold, which you can just see behind me here in a clump. And you can also see James working behind me very hard. I would like to thank the National Garden Scheme and all their supporters for getting me started in my horticultural career, and I look forward to welcoming you all back soon to the gardens. Thank you very much. Bye!